In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, you need to launch one of your apps you wish to use in this view and open it as pop-up window. To do that, launch it in the background and click on this icon at the top right corner. Then select a second app, and with both of them opened like that, hold this gray line at the top of your window and drag it all the way to the top or all the way down. When you see this gray area, let go. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, hold those three dots in the middle of your apps and drag one all the way down or all the way up. Then tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!